Hello again, welcome and good morning all students in online class organized by our school subcontinuous boarding school. Today again, I want to continue same topic measurement. That's some particular from this topic. Oops. Topic measurement. As in previous class, I was discussing about units and classification of units. Here, units of measurement or units of physical quantity are further divided into two parts. As same case of physical quantities, here units are also divided into two parts. One is fundamental units and other is derived units. As in case of physical quantities were divided into two parts, fundamental quantities and derived quantities. Same thing here. That units which is related with fundamental quantities are called fundamental units, and that related with derived quantities are derived units. In other form, we can also say that those units which are independent on others are called fundamental units. These are single units which is independent to other units, whereas derived units are those units which are not independent, means which require other units, two or more than two fundamental units. For example, fundamental units here, unit of fundamental quantities as unit of length is meter. One is meter. Similarly, kilogram, second, Kelvin, etc. These all are units of fundamental physical quantities, as meter is unit of length, kilogram of mass, second of time, Kelvin of temperature, etc. Similarly, derived units are units of derived physical quantities. As previously I had told about derived quantities as area. Here, unit of area is square meter, in shortly written as meter square. Similarly, of volume, cubic meter, and written in abbreviation form as meter cube. Similarly, of force, Newton, of pressure, Pascal. These are derived units. We also say these derived units because these are units of derived quantities and also derived or made from fundamental units. And after discussing about types of units, let's now discuss about different system of units. There are different systems. Nowadays, prevalent system of units are 4 units. And let's now discuss about this system of units. System of units. There are different systems, also called different groups, which include different type of units for same physical quantities, and these are called system of units. There are 4 system of units. First one is FPS system. FPS system, this is also called British system. This system includes 3 physical quantities, and this FPS system length is measured. Length is measured in foot. Similarly, mass is measured in pound. And time is measured in second. And these three first letter from these units FPS determine this FPS system. This is also called British system. And after this, next one is CGS system, which is also called French system. This CGS system is also called French system. In this system, firstly length is measured in centimeter. Similarly, mass is measured in gram. And the time is measured similarly as second. And here also first letter of these units form this CGS system. And better than this FPS and CGS system nowadays being used all over the world, except the people of all over the world. Its next one is MKS system. MKS system, this is also called metric system. In MKS system, here length is measured in meter, mass is measured in kilogram, and time is measured in second. And first alphabet of this unit also form this MKS system. This is slightly improved system than CGS and FPS. CGS and FPS is slightly locally used and smaller units, but these are being used internationally and by people of all over the world. And after this, next one is SI units. Next one, SI units. This SI unit is also called System D International Units. It is really system of units which is extended and improved form of MKS system. In MKS system, only 3 quantities are taken, but in standard form in this SI system, further 4 quantities is included, and further naming of MKS system becomes SI system. In 1960, in Paris of France, Convention of Scientists grouped 7 physical quantities as fundamental quantities, and the unit of these fundamental quantities are taken in a group in a system, and that system is named SI system. This is also called metric system. Metric system is called because system of these units can be represented in power of term or in exponential form. And so these are this is also called metric system. It is improved form of improved and extended form of MKS system. Today's in this system there are 7 fundamental quantities. 7 fundamental quantities are taken under SI units. I want to represent these fundamental quantities along with their units which are taken under SI units. Here in physical quantities, fundamental physical quantities and their units. This is serial number. First one is length, second mass or time, fourth temperature, next fifth one luminous intensity. Before this, electric current. Next one is luminous intensity. And next one, amount of substance. Listen here. Of then meter of mass, kilogram, of time, second, of temperature, Kelvin, of electric current, ampere, of luminous intensity, candela, and amount of substance, mole. These are fundamental quantities along with their fundamental units, which are included under SI system, SI units. Further, SI system is also divided into two groups. Units included in this unit are also divided into two groups, two types. That is fundamental units and derived units. And today this much of SI units for this class. Today again further measurement of different quantities like length, mass, time are described included in the previous topic. Thank you for students.